Yo, what up, gang? What up, Drip Unboxing? Y'all already know what it is. It's time for some more unboxing of some drip, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, today we switching it up. We doing it a little different, man. Just felt like we should get some fresh air, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? So we doing it outside in the whip, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all what the whip looking like one of these days and stuff like that. I might make another YouTube channel for my whip, because I ain't gonna lie, I be modding out cars and everything like that. I got this, I ain't even gonna tell you all that. All right, so boom, let's get to it. Today, we got another unboxing from Dayyani Jewelers, man. You already know I fuck with Dayyani Jewelers. Got the earrings from them, got the grill from them. Now y'all about to see what else we got from them, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get to it. I don't even want to waste no time, man. Let's just go ahead. Fresh out the pot. Fresh out the box. Alright, boom. Here we go. Here we go. Drum to the roll. There's another box. It's kind of like the same box my earrings came in, but this ain't what that is. So I ain't gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know what it is. I got a ring, and I ain't really measuring my ring finger right, so I'm hoping this shit is accurate and it fits, cause y'all seen first reaction. So if I'm pissed off, bro, please excuse my language and all other things that's probably gonna follow. But here we go. I'm gonna let y'all see first. Bam! Ooh, look at blood. Ooh, look at blood. This is the motherfucking ring with the baguettes and the diamonds on it. Damn, she beautiful. Ooh, wee. Oh, Christ, here it is. Oh, Christ. Ooh, it fits. Ooh, it fits, but it's kind of, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of snug. That shit kind of scares the shit out of me, though. Ooh, it fits, but it's snug as hell, bro. I'm scared. Ooh. Ooh. It fits, bro, but I'm scared as hell to put it on, bro. Like, it's kind of too tight. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's kind of. Yo. Alright, so yeah. It's nice as shit. Okay, I got 6, y'all. And I really did 6.5. And I really should have did like fucking 7. Cause I ain't gonna lie. I gotta go take this bitch to the jewelry store and gotta get this bitch just a little bit bigger. Cause this shit's scaring the fuck out of me. Shit! I don't want this motherfucker stuck though, bro. I've seen them shits, bro. I've seen them type of movies. I don't like them. I don't know though. Like, that's too snug for me, bro. Like, look at my fucking thumb. Like, bro, look at my pinky. Ooh, that shit was hardcore on my shit, dog. Y'all probably don't even want to see all that. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Ripping skin and some more. That's how scared I was just to get this bitch off, my nigga. I was scared in a bitch. Ugh. Okay, so check it out. You got your nice fucking baguette diamonds and shit, you know what I'm saying? It's got motherfucking little diamonds on the side too. All that little nice shit. Yeah, it's really, I ain't gonna lie, it's really nice. I went with the rose gold, cause to switch it up, I'm always doing yellow diamonds and shit. So yeah, I went ahead and did the rose gold. I'm just scared to put it all the way on my pinky right now. I'm gonna do it in a second, but like I said, I gotta take this bitch to the jewelry store ASAP, to the base app, and get it just a little bit bigger, cause that shit's a little scary. I mean, it come off though. Honestly, you just gotta be slow with it. You just gotta take your time. But it'll come off. It'll come off, but you just gotta take your time, like I said. That shit just scared the fuck out of a nigga though. But I ain't gonna lie, I definitely like the way that it look though. It's hard as shit. It just scares the hell out of me right now because this shit snug as a motherfucker. Like, you know what I'm saying? But shit cool, bro. Like, yeah. I ain't about to do all that right now, y'all. You feel me? Hey, yeah. I mean, it's cool as shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm annoyed, bro. Alright, so yeah, bro. Look. When y'all getting your rings, make sure y'all go get your shit measured right so you don't even gotta experience no nut shit like that. Cause, bro, look at my finger, bro. My shit really fucked up from trying to take this bitch off. Like, alright, so I mean, I don't call that a flaw. I wouldn't blame that on Dayyani Jewelers. But, man, if your shit ain't right, my nigga, you better make sure that shit right. They don't, man. These nice ass bag ass dog. Like, this motherfucker definitely icy than a motherfucker. You feel me? Like, I'm definitely feeling myself. Oh, I'm tripping. I ain't mean to do that to y'all. Oh. But anyway, I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. But anyway, so, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't going to lie. I'm fucking with it. It's hard. It's dope. It's icy. The only thing that scares me is I ain't get the right size. But other than that, my nigga, this shit is shining. It's gleaming. The diamonds is dancing. They hitting. They spitting. Bow. Ooh, you hit a nigga with them baguettes? Don't hit a nigga with them baguettes. Boy, you trying to bow. Ooh, you imagine getting hit by that motherfucker. Ooh, wee. Your face gonna be looking like my finger. Nah, let's play. But nah, I ain't gonna lie. This motherfucker dope. I ain't gonna lie. It was worth the bread. So, boom. I got this hoe on they sale. They had a motherfucker sale for the Black Friday slash motherfucker Cyber Monday and shit. And I ain't gonna lie, like, the shit was cool. The shit was cool, bro. Like, it was going for a good price. They took off like $200. It was 15% off. So, I mean, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I really snagged and got this shit real quick. Like, and I've been wanting a ring for the longest. Next, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna get I need to get another bracelet. It's time to stack this shit up. It's about to be winter time though, so that's why I'm not really tripping too much about the bracelet and shit, cause it's about to be winter, so you be wearing these big ass coats and shit, bro. You can't even see what's dancing on your wrist for real. So, but yeah, man. Now, other than that, man, this is gonna be a wrap to this video. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this shit nice. Hey, yeah. It might be the thumbnail. Alright. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, man. Shit, I'm fucking with it. Like, yeah, I'm fucking with it. It definitely, and it's noticeable as shit, too. Like, it definitely, yeah. It definitely complements, I feel like, the rest of the drip going on. You feel me? You feel me? Definitely, you know, definitely the little compliment. They definitely, you know, jumping and bumping off each other. Like, you feel me? I'm feeling, y'all. You feel me? Like, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm liking it. So, I don't know. So, in the comments, though, somebody tell me, or somebody give me some advice, or somebody, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just talk your shit. But when it comes to measuring your ring fingers and stuff like that, should you go half a motherfucker, like half the size up, or should you go a full size up? Because I ain't gonna lie, I thought my shit was like 6 around, just 6. And then I said, okay, let me do 6.5. Whole time I should have did 7, because this is scary. I can't get it off. I can't get it off. Nigga, help! No, I'm playing. It came off. Bruh, I ain't gonna lie. So look, my right hand must be fatter than the left. I think I measured my left hand, bruh. So there's some crazy shit. But you know, back in science class, I think they said your right side or your most dominant side. I ain't here to teach no science, but something about that, you know, got something to do with something. But anyway, so yeah, make sure you measure both sides of the finger. You feel me? Because I honestly I wanted this to be on my right side for real, but until I get this bitch sized up, I might have to keep it on the left. But yeah, man, shit. That's a wrap for this video, though. This is 10 minutes. This is way too long, way longer than I wanted it to be. I just got a fresh cut and everything yesterday, too, so that's kind of why I'm checking myself out. I don't be thinking I be doing this conceited shit on a regular degular. I'm just really checking out my barber haircut. He did a good job on game. I might have to shout him out. You feel me? Tell me he ain't do a good job on my shit. Man, don't lie. Nah, for real, my nigga did a little cool thing, you know what I'm saying? Don't talk about my forehead. I know, I'm coming back, though. I'm coming back. I had a barber before him. He fucked my whole shit up, bro. It took me back to, like, 1995, like 1980, like, nigga took me. Nah, all right. Y'all stop talking shit. Anyway, though, man, fuck with Dayyani Jewelers, y'all. Real talk. They one of my favorite jewelers now. They from Houston, Texas. I'm from Texas. Yeah, man, they be really getting you right. Like, no bullshit. I'm going to show y'all another video in my next one. I just made this shit go too long. But I'm going to show y'all another video of these hoes dancing and shit, probably in the sunlight. I'm probably going to step outside and get a little something, you know what I'm saying? But thank y'all for rocking with me. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Man, y'all let me know what it is. Let me know how y'all doing. Y'all let me know what y'all unboxing. Y'all let me know if y'all know any other jewelers, anybody who's cheaper, who's better, you know, who's got the best bang for your buck. I don't want no cheap shit. I'm just talking about the best bang for your buck. And I say Dayyani Jewelers is the best bang for your buck. And guess what? We're going to have another video talking about that because I'm going to get y'all right. I know a lot of y'all over here spending y'all bread on these high, pricey ass niggas and they taxing y'all like shit. I got y'all though. Wait for the next couple of videos and shit. I don't know, it might be the next one and the one after that and the next one. I don't know. I've been slacking. Y'all need to get on me. Y'all need to be like, saying, man, where the videos at? Ooh. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we out.